Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into Chase. Calm or the Chase mobile app right away. This puts you in control. Once signed in, use the search bar or go to Activity to locate the recurring transaction and confirm merchant name, amount, and frequency. Make sure two-factor authentication completes because Chase may block changes without it. If you prefer phone support, note the secure message option and the branch phone number. Otherwise, proceed to manage payments in the next step. Next, you open the account that shows the recurring charge and tap the transaction to view details. Then choose the action that fits, manage payments or stop recurring payment if visible. If not, use the dispute option to halt future debits while you contact the merchant. Once you submit a cancellation, Chase typically provides a confirmation number. Save that screenshot or note. Also set a calendar reminder to check your next statement, because processing can take a billing cycle. Finally, you verify the cancellation by checking for the confirmation number and watching your next 1 or 2 statements to ensure no new charges appear. If the merchant continues billing, contact them directly first to request written confirmation of cancellation. Once done, make sure to follow up with Chase via secure message or by calling the number on your card. If unauthorized charges persist, open a dispute, provide your documentation and rep names, and continue monitoring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.